Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to delete files on your file manager. First, open the File Manager app on your phone. Navigate to the folder where the file you want to delete is located. Once you find the file, long press on it to select it. Now, look for the Delete option, which is usually at the bottom of the screen or in the menu. Tap on Delete and a confirmation box will appear. Confirm your choice by tapping OK or Yes. The file will now be permanently deleted or moved to the recycle bin, depending on your phone's settings. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.